In this video, I will teach you how to install WordPress on Hostinger web hosting. So if you are using Hostinger web hosting and really want to install WordPress, just follow the steps that I will explain in this video and implement them in your website Hostinger to install the WordPress. So you can see this is the domain iwasim.online. So I will click on the manage, and here you can see file manager, databases, auto installer. So we will click on auto installer, and now here you can see 4 options including WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, other if you want to install other CMS. But in this video our main purpose is to learn the installation process of WordPress. Therefore just proceed with WordPress select button, and now here website title you will define here, and then email, then username, and then password. And if you are going to install WordPress in a directory or subdomain, then you will use advanced options. Otherwise, for the main domain like TLD, top level domain, no need to open this advanced options. Then click on next. You can turn off automatic application updates because sometimes latest version of WordPress is not compatible with the plugin, so therefore always take a backup before the updation process of WordPress. So you can turn off the automatic application updates, and recommended is the latest version, so you can select this. Otherwise you can also select previous versions. Language according to your requirement you can select, then click on install, and now wait for a few seconds and the WordPress will install. See, the WordPress has been installed, and here you can see admin panel. So you can click on admin panel, and this will open the WordPress dashboard. This will redirect to the WP admin. See, and if we visit site, so you can see this is the main default theme of the WordPress. So see how easy the process of WordPress installation in Hostinger. You can follow these steps and you can install WordPress on your Hostinger hosting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.